Hello everyone, today I'm going to fly my drone here in this park. As you can see, there's a lot of empty spaces with grass, very nice, quiet and spatial area. So here are the two drones that I use. You can see the red one is a bit bigger. It has a speedybee analog video transmitter and an R9 Slim remote receiver and T-Motor F7 stack. And the smaller one here is equipped with speedybee F405 stack. This F405 is, in my opinion, better than the F7 that the large one used because it has LED support as well as Bluetooth control. The receiver is an R9 MX, and the video transmitter here is walksnail CADX walksnail VRX. Alright, so let's see some footage by the 7-inch analog drone. As you can see, we need to search for the frequency before finding the image. Alright, so it has taken off. Yeah, so I'm trying to move forward and leftward. So it has reached a pretty high altitude. Alright, so here is what happens. So the wind is blowing backward. So despite I try to move forward, it actually doesn't. It's still moving backward. And at this time my remote is out of battery, so I'm very afraid that it will drop. So I try to move it closer to me. Oh,